This video is all about the clear feature in Excel. This feature has multiple variations like clear all, clear formats and so on. Therefore, let's look at each of them. First, find the clear drop-down. It's located in the editing group on your home tab. This option helps to keep the data clean and organized. Let's start with clear all. It's like hitting the reset button. If you want to clear the chemistry column, select the range G4 to G14 and click clear all. It wipes out everything, values, formatting, even comments. It's perfect when you want a fresh start. Now let's talk about clear formats. Say you want to keep your data in the physics column, but don't need the fancy colors and fonts. So select the range and hit clear format. And it's back to the default style. It's that simple. Need to keep the formatting but get rid of the numbers or text? Use the clear contents option. Select the range and hit clear contents. Only the formatting will remain. Here we have the email ID of the students. Whenever you want to select these cells, they pop up in the browser as they all are links. If you want to remove these hyperlinks, select the cell and click on Clear Hyperlinks option. It clears all the hyperlink but keeps the format of the text, which is blue font color. If you want to clear the format also, then choose the Remove Hyperlinks option. You will get only the plain text. Now, time for a quick pop quiz. Assume you want a blank spreadsheet, but you need a formatted structure like this. How would you get that from this condition? Drop your answer in the comments. And that's the wrap up for this tutorial. Bye!